Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about another important plant, that is your medicinally important plant, that is your Ricinus communis. So as you can see in the picture over here, this is a very common plant and it is highly medicinal. So the name of this plant is Ricinus communis. Now, plants are basically, it forms a basis of life on earth and it is central to people's livelihood. So people are basically dependent on plant for food, shelter and all other various other resources. Besides this, healing with medicinal plants is an old treatment method as old as mankind itself. So basically when civilization began, people started using plants for the treatment of various diseases and disorders. One of the classic example is your Ayurveda, one of the oldest system and yet living traditions widely practiced. So till today Ayurvedic system of medicine is very much prevalent and it is being used extensively. Besides this, they play a role in culture, customs, rituals, etc. Awareness of medicinal plants usage is a result of many years of struggles. So basically it's a trial and error method. People have tried various trial and error method to come up with certain herbal drug formulations that will take care of various diseases and disorders. So let us see this plant. This is Ricinus communis. As you can see in the picture, it is a common plant and you can see like spiny like fruits are also found in this particular plant. Now it belongs to Euphorbiaceae family. So those who are from botany background, they will have a fair idea about the families and all. So it belongs to Euphorbiaceae family and it is commonly called as castor oil plant. So basically it is a castor oil plant, as you can see over here. Now perennial flowering plant, fast growing shrub. So it's basically a perennial flowering plant and it is very fast growing. Now as you can see over in the picture, leaves are long, stalked, alternate and palmate with 5 to 12 deep lobes with coarsely toothed margins. So if you have a closer look at the leaves, what you can see is that it has a toothed segments or toothed margins. Now stems and the spherical are basically the spherical with spiny fruits. So as you can see in the picture over here, the fruits are spiny in nature. Now this was all about the description about this particular plant, Ricinus communis, which will help you to identify this particular plant. So let us see what are the medicinal properties. Now leaf infusion helps to cure epilepsy. So the leaf that is the infusion, if you apply, or leaf infusion helps to cure epilepsy. Besides this, leaf poultice is used to cure bone fracture and sprain. So basically when we talk about poultice, it's basically you make a soft or moist mass of the leaf and you apply on the infected part or basically the affected part of your bone, and that will help to cure your bone fracture as well as sprain. The leaves are said to be used in the form of a poultice or fermentation on sores, boils and swelling. So you see when we talk about poultice, as I said, that it's basically a moist mass you apply or fermentation. Or fermentation is basically your warm treatment you give, or warm treatment. So you warm those leaves a little bit, then you take those leaves and apply on sores, boils or swelling, so that those three problems also can be taken care of with the help of these leaves of Ricinus communis. So this was in brief about the properties, medicinal properties or medicinal aspects of Ricinus communis. So if you found this video informative, then do like, comment, share and subscribe. Most importantly, if you share, it will reach to various people. And you see, people are basically relying on chemical drugs and all, so these plants are very much commonly available. People can utilize it and get benefit or may get cured from various diseases. Besides this, I have some other videos of plants which are taking care of other diseases as well, so please do watch those videos. So this was all about Ricinus communis. Thank you and have a nice time.